We discovered an asteroid and have a couple of data points on its position in the sky. You look at its speed, get a Doppler shift, and determine its direction, then plug it into the computer. There was about a 20% chance it could hit Earth on April 13, 2036. This object wasn't from our solar system, and it presented a tremendously strong signal, unlike anything we'd seen before. Strange lights have been seen over Europe's skies, with unidentified flying objects making headlines. Space is a vast, mysterious frontier where beauty and danger coexist. While we gaze at the stars, we must wonder, could massive objects be racing toward Earth, ready to change life as we know it? NASA is on high alert, tracking threats like near-Earth asteroids, rogue black holes, and cosmic anomalies we've barely begun to understand. What if one of these objects collided with Earth? How close are we to a potential disaster? In this video, we'll explore these cosmic dangers, their potential impacts, and ask the burning question, are we truly safe, or is Earth in serious danger? Let's begin with one of the most famous asteroids, Apophis, a massive rock that has been making headlines for years. Should we be worried? NASA has been tracking its orbit closely, and it's one of the most closely watched space objects. But will it hit us? Apophis is a gigantic asteroid about 1,100 feet, 340 meters, across, discovered in 2004. Initially, it was feared to be on a collision course with Earth, causing widespread concern. Named after Apophis, the Egyptian god of chaos and destruction, it became known as the god of chaos. While it's not large enough to be a planet killer, it's big enough to cause catastrophic damage if it were to hit Earth. But should we be concerned about an impending impact? Let's break it down. In 2004, when Apophis was first discovered, scientists quickly realized it would make an exceptionally close flyby with Earth on April 13, 2029. Early observations led to fears that the asteroid could strike our planet. At the time, Apophis was predicted to pass very close to Earth, less than 20,000 miles, 32,000 kilometers away, which is far closer than most of our satellites orbiting the planet. This close approach sparked a great deal of media attention and raised alarms about potential risks to space infrastructure, such as satellites. However, after additional data and precise calculations, scientists confirmed that Apophis will not collide with Earth in 2029. Instead, it will pass safely by at a distance of about 20,000 miles, which, though close in astronomical terms, is still well outside the risk zone for a direct impact. Still, the close approach raised concerns about the asteroid's potential impact on satellites and space systems in Earth's orbit. While the 2029 impact risk has been ruled out, Apophis continues to intrigue scientists. A new study by astronomer Paul Waget, published in the Planetary Science Journal, calculated that the risk of a collision is extraordinarily small. Using computer simulations, Waget found that there's less than a 1 in 8 billion chance that an undiscovered asteroid could alter Apophis's trajectory and send it on a path toward Earth. Even if such an impact were to occur, there's no guarantee it would push Apophis closer to Earth. In fact, it could shift its path further away. While Apophis is out of sight due to its proximity to the Sun, astronomers are eagerly awaiting its reappearance in 2027 when they'll be able to more accurately calculate its trajectory for 2029. The asteroid will continue to make close approaches to Earth in the years ahead, with notable flybys in 2051, 2066, and 2080. Fortunately, none of these encounters pose a serious threat, and the asteroid is expected to remain harmless for at least the next century. NASA will continue to monitor Apophis closely with the OSIRIS-RX mission, formerly OSIRIS-X, set to study the asteroid in greater detail. The mission will help scientists learn more about Apophis's composition and trajectory, ensuring that any potential risks are identified early. So, while there's no immediate danger, Apophis remains one of the most fascinating and carefully observed objects in our solar system. Another intriguing object is asteroid Boo, one of the most fascinating and potentially dangerous objects in our solar system. This massive space rock, roughly the size of the Empire State Building, has been the subject of intense study since its discovery in 1999. Its orbit brings it close to Earth, and while the likelihood of a collision is extremely low, just a 0.05% chance, NASA is closely monitoring its path due to the potential catastrophic impact if it were to collide with our planet. What makes Boo so fascinating is not just its size but its age and composition. At 4.5 billion years old, Boo is a relic from the early solar system, and scientists believe it holds crucial clues about the origins of life. The asteroid is made up of carbon-rich material, believed to be the building blocks of life. In fact, researchers have found glycine, a key ingredient in proteins, and magnesium phosphate, which is also found in Earth's oceans. These findings suggest Boo could have originated from a planet-like world with conditions similar to early Earth, possibly even an ocean-covered environment. In 2019, Boo surprised scientists by ejecting particles from its surface, raising even more questions about its structure and behavior. NASA's OSIRIS-RX spacecraft, launched in 2016 to study Boo, spent 7 years traveling nearly 4 billion miles to collect samples from its surface. In September 2023, the spacecraft returned to Earth with these precious samples, which will provide valuable insight into the asteroid's composition, the early solar system, and even the potential for future asteroid defense. Despite the asteroid's low chance of hitting Earth, Boo remains a critical focus of NASA's planetary defense efforts. The asteroid's close flyby in 2182 means its trajectory is being monitored closely, and future impact scenarios are still a possibility. NASA is not leaving anything to chance, and in 2022, the space agency launched its Double Asteroid Deflection Test (DART) mission, designed to deliberately alter the path of an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it. This groundbreaking test could one day help protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts by providing a method of deflecting hazardous objects. As for rogue planets entering our solar system, the likelihood is minuscule. Even if a rogue planet did approach, it would likely have to come incredibly close, within a few million miles, to have any gravitational effect on Earth or other planets in our system. Astronomers use powerful telescopes and advanced techniques like gravitational microlensing to detect and study rogue planets. This method involves observing the way a rogue planet's gravity bends and amplifies the light of a distant star when it passes in front of it. These discoveries help scientists better understand the origins of rogue planets and the dynamics of planetary systems. One of the most fascinating rogue planets discovered to date is J21494-7.2043089, a massive free-floating planet about 4 to 7 times the size of Jupiter, located approximately 100 light-years away. This rogue planet has no parent star and drifts through space, emitting a faint glow from residual heat. While it poses no threat to Earth, its discovery sheds light on the diversity of planets in the universe and the potential for unusual planetary phenomena. Rogue planets remain a mystery, offering both scientific intrigue and a reminder of the unpredictability of the cosmos. Although they are unlikely to pose an immediate danger to Earth, their existence is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. Scientists continue to study these enigmatic wanderers, hoping to uncover the secrets of their formation, history, and potential impact on other celestial systems. As we explore these cosmic phenomena, it becomes clear that space is not only a source of beauty and wonder, but also a realm filled with potential risks. From asteroids and comets to solar flares and rogue planets, humanity must remain vigilant, using the tools of science and technology to prepare for any challenges that may arise. By studying and understanding the universe, we not only safeguard our planet, but also deepen our appreciation for the incredible complexity and vastness of the cosmos. The chances of a rogue planet entering our solar system and destabilizing our planet's orbit are slim. Moreover, smaller rogue planets, like those roughly the size of Earth, would likely have a far less destabilizing influence if they did pass by. NASA closely monitors space for any potential threats, including rogue planets. But experts emphasize there's no immediate cause for alarm. While the concept of rogue planets is fascinating and mysterious, the likelihood of one causing significant harm to Earth remains extremely rare, thanks to the immense distances and the relatively small size of most of these rogue worlds. However, their existence serves as a reminder of the unpredictable and dynamic nature of the universe. Now, let's explore one of the most mysterious and terrifying threats in space: black holes. These cosmic monsters can devour everything in their path, yes, even light itself. Black holes are some of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. These cosmic entities are the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity. As their matter condenses into an extremely dense singularity, they create a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. This unique characteristic makes black holes invisible to traditional telescopes, but their presence is inferred from the way they interact with nearby stars and gas clouds. Despite the apparent danger of these cosmic giants, the likelihood of one posing an immediate threat to Earth remains minimal, though NASA remains on high alert to monitor any potential risks. Black holes come in a range of sizes, from stellar black holes, which are a few times the mass of our Sun, to supermassive black holes, which can be millions or even billions of times more massive than the Sun. These objects are typically formed when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. This results in the formation of a singularity, an infinitely small point with infinite density surrounded by an event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. One of the most intriguing aspects of black holes is their ability to warp space-time around them. This extreme warping of space-time is a direct consequence of their massive gravitational pull. In fact, black holes are so powerful that they can distort light itself, creating phenomena like gravitational lensing, where the light from stars and galaxies is bent as it passes near a black hole. At the center of our own Milky Way galaxy lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A star. This black hole is about 4 million times more massive than the Sun and resides 26,000 light-years from Earth. Despite its enormous size, it poses no danger to our planet due to its vast distance from us. Scientists believe that supermassive black holes are common at the centers of most galaxies, playing a critical role in shaping the formation and behavior of stars and galaxies. In 2019, a groundbreaking achievement in astronomy occurred when the Event Horizon Telescope (EHT) collaboration captured the first-ever image of a black hole. The black hole in question was located at the center of the M87 galaxy, roughly 55 million light-years away. This image was a huge milestone in the field of astrophysics, as it provided visual proof of the existence of black holes and confirmed many of the theoretical predictions about their structure. The photograph depicted a glowing ring of gas surrounding the black hole's shadow, offering new insights into how black holes behave. This event captured the public's imagination, showing just how real and powerful these cosmic entities are. While the M87 black hole is located far from Earth, it was a powerful reminder of the immense forces that govern the universe. One of the most unsettling potential threats posed by black holes is the existence of rogue black holes. Rogue black holes are black holes that have been ejected from their parent galaxy and are now roaming freely through interstellar space. Unlike most black holes, which reside at the centers of galaxies, rogue black holes are not gravitationally bound to any particular star or galaxy. These black holes are the result of gravitational disturbances or interactions with other objects in a galaxy, which can send them hurtling through space. The most concerning aspect of rogue black holes is that they are difficult to detect. Unlike regular black holes, which can be identified by the way they influence nearby objects or emit radiation as they accrete matter, rogue black holes are often invisible. This makes it difficult for scientists to track their movements or predict whether one might be heading toward Earth. However, despite their elusive nature, experts believe that rogue black holes are relatively rare, and the likelihood of one entering our solar system remains extremely low. Estimates suggest that there could be billions of rogue black holes scattered throughout the Milky Way galaxy. According to a 2021 study by NASA scientists, there may be as many as 100 million stellar mass black holes in our galaxy, and some of these could be rogue black holes. While these objects may sound alarming, their actual threat to Earth is minimal. The vast distances between stars and the relatively small number of rogue black holes make the likelihood of a direct collision with Earth highly improbable. Even if a rogue black hole were to enter our solar system, it would not necessarily pose an existential threat to Earth. The gravitational pull of a rogue black hole is only significant when it is extremely close, and given the vast distances between objects in space, the chances of such an encounter are extremely slim. In the unlikely event that a rogue black hole did pass by our solar system, its gravitational influence could disrupt the orbits of nearby planets, but it would not be powerful enough to suck them in. Given the vast number of black holes in the universe, including rogue black holes, it's natural to wonder if one might pose a threat to Earth. However, scientists emphasize that black holes do not wander through space indiscriminately. Most black holes are located at the centers of galaxies, and they are not actively seeking out new systems to consume. Additionally, our solar system is far enough from the center of the Milky Way, where Sagittarius A* resides, to remain unaffected by any gravitational disturbances from it. Despite the odds, NASA and other space agencies continuously monitor the skies for any signs of black holes or other potentially dangerous objects. The search for rogue black holes is part of a broader effort to understand the behaviors and movements of these enigmatic objects. However, experts remain confident that the chances of a rogue black hole entering our solar system and posing a threat to Earth are extraordinarily low.